Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me from YouTube, so I'll be dropping a link to my Telegram channel where I drop current updates, so you might be interested to check that out. If you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to smash the like button and also follow me. Share this content so some people may be informed. Information is free. So we read about the daily cipher mode, and then today's word is FOMO. Yeah, FOMO. So for the first letter there is F, which is a single tap and that tap and the tap and the tap. Yeah. Next one is 0. That's O, sorry. O, which is long tap and the long tap. M is 2 long tap and a tap. And the last but not the least is O again, which is long tap, another long tap. That's 3. That is FOMO. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, whatever you're watching from. And don't forget to subscribe to join my Telegram channel so you get the latest details and the latest coin.